hasn't been opened yet. It says it's a 5-in-1. It takes 2 AA batteries. I got this from Five Below, and as you can see, it's $5. And it has a cuticle file, a smoothing file, a cuticle remover, a polishing comb, and a trimmer file. So basically, and it has a bonus storage bag. So basically, I just wanted to see if how good it works. And this hand, I had just put color on my hair a couple hours ago, so I didn't use the glove. That's why it looks like that. A lot of times gloves make it so hard for me, so now whatever, I'll just rip it open. Now they have these things taped up. Can't get it out. Oh, it's a cute little purple storage bag. That's cute. Okay. And who is this by? Urban Butterfly. Urban Butterfly, okay. There you go. So, actually, I had bought, my parents have one that I got from Amazon, which is super, super powerful. That I got from, I think I just said that I got from Amazon, y'all. And that was like $40. And, okay, so, now I done took them all out of order, y'all. Oh boy, I think this was supposed to be the trimming file, but let's see, how do you, okay, it's how you put the batteries in. I'm assuming the positive side up. Yep, that's right, okay. Sometimes it's fun trying new things. You just gotta shove this thing in here. Woo! Yikes. So let's see. And actually I have a little bit of nails. I'm usually a chronic nail biter. I always have been. It's a terrible habit, but it must don't stay on. This one kind of hurt. This one is kind of actually hurt, y'all. So, let me try. It works, though. I don't know, like, it seemed like, I think this is supposed to be the cuticle thing. Right here. Oop, uh-oh. She got caught in the... Okay, so that's the cuticle one. Let's see. This is the polishing, the buffer. this one is supposed to be for your toes as well. This is good in a pinch, y'all, but okay, yeah, it's taking that color off. Alright, y'all, so what do you think of this $5 nail file? And do you guys have one of these or something like it? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. I may probably finish. You can see I got a little bit of nail on there on this. They're the same on both sides, but you know, this was just a little demonstration. So I might, you know, they're not long, so it was really not anything to really file, but yeah, y'all, it works. So alrighty, take care, y'all. See y'all.